semester Maths first chapter measurement. Warm up. Here it is a pictures. So you have to find out. Here it is a which is a bigger, which is a lighter, which is a longer and which is a taller. Then what is this one? We are finding the measurement. Here it is first one. Tick or write the one that is big. Okay, Sakshi, tell me. Here it is a fish and dolphin. Which is a bigger?
Dolphin, teacher.
Okay. Second one. Here it is take the right. That is a right. One that light. Light means that is a very light, not heavy. So here it is a bee and eagle are there. Which is a lighter? Tell me, Sakshi.
This one.
Yes. Okay. Then third one, tick the right. The one that is a longer. Long means that is a big, long it is there. No, Sakshi, tell me in this picture, the pencil, which is the one bigger? This one or this one?
This one, ma'am.
Okay, Marie. Then fourth one, tick the right. The one that is a tall. So, tall one. Here it is animals are there and you have to see which one is a taller. The sheep or giraffe? Tell me, Sakshi.
Giraffe, madam.
Okay, very good. Very good. Look ahead. What we are learning here? Measurement of length, measurement of weight, measurement of capacity. My way ahead. Here what other class teacher has distributed practice sheets. In the practice sheet, some of words are written in a such way that their meaning is understood. From the way these are written, for example, this is a huge, small, thin, tall. So, others practice sheet is given below. Here it is a just practice sheet is there below and help us to complete the sheet. So tiny. Tiny means what? Small. Big, huge. Long, tall. Short, small. Wide, tall. These words help us to know the size or amount, such as long, how tall, how thin, and so on. Height can be tall or short. Width can be wide or narrow. Length can be long or short. Measurement of length. Length is a measure of how long or short an object is. Example, here it is a pencil. Then we are measuring which one is a longer and which one is a shorter. So this one is a longer and this one is a shorter. So pencil is longer and crayon is shorter. Here see, this is a tall and this is a short. Sometimes it becomes difficult to find out the length just by looking. When we are seeing the length just by looking, it is difficult for us. In such case, we can measure the length. How we are measuring? Using the certain means such as crayons, gum, clips, etc. So here it is for one example is there. Read the conversion. Now they are telling to themselves. So she is a Febina and she is telling my ribbon is longer than yours, Revati. So Febina is telling my ribbon is longer than you. She is telling no Febina, I think mine is longer. She is Revati is telling mine is bigger, so longer. Then what he is telling us? Hey, let us measure your ribbons using clip. Now what we have to do? You are telling mine is bigger, your is longer. So we have to use the clip, that is the object, to measure the length. So here it is a Febina's ribbon and here it is a Revati's ribbon. So let us Sakshi see here. The ribbons are here, Febina's and Revati's. Okay. So Azhar using the clips. Let us count that one, Sakshi. Clips, Febina's.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 clips. Yes, no? Then Revati's, count that one again.
1, 2, 3.
How many? 3 clips. Then tell me, Sakshi, which one is longer? Whose is longer? Febina's or Revati's?
Febina, madam.
Yes, very good. Those ribbons is longer, Febina. Manjit is measuring his maths book using clips. Manjit, what he is doing? He is using the maths book, that is measuring with the clips. Yes, no? So, Manjit books, maths books is 5 clips longer. How many clips? 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, think of more object you would use the measure length. Make a measure those objects are the same and of the same size. In ancient time, when people did not have a sufficient means to measure length, they used their body part of measure length. Take a look at this unit of measure. So olden days what they are doing? They are measuring with their parts of body. So this is what? Hand snap. This is cubite. This is a cubite. Then foot snap. This is a one foot. No, this is a foot snap. And this is a pace or this is a straight. Let us see. These units of measurement are known as non-standard unit. This is a not standard. This is a non-standard unit of measurement. Sometimes it becomes difficult to measure big things using object like a clip or a toothpick. We can use things like straw or a stick to measure long object. Now, let us measure the length using stake of same size. Here it is a fancy is 2. How much long this one takes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sticks long. So this is a homework for you. You have to measure the door. The door is about dash sticks long. Okay. So now we will move on. My practice time. First one is how long are these objects? So here it is a one object, that is a compass box, that is a in box, that is a color pencils are there. Then you have to count this one object, that is how long it is. So here it is what? About dash clips are long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 clips long. Okay, B1, tell me, Sakshi, how much crayons are there here to measure?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Write down 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sakshi, count this one clips. The brush is there, no? So how long? Count that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Write down. Then book. Count that on the crayon, Marie.
1, 2, 3.
So about, tell me, 3 crayons. Write down. Now brush. How long that one? They are using the crayons.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Write down 4. Okay. Now comb.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Write down.
Bought 5 clips long.
Second one, which body part can you use to measure the following? Your desk, hand snap. That is our hand snap you are using. Then snack box, that is a hand snap also. Blackboard, cubite. Then height of the boy, that is a cubite. Pencil, hand snap. Hand snap means when you are using the smaller, you are using the hand snap. When it is a little big, that is a cubite. And bigger you are using foot snap and straight. So, pencil, hand snap. And duster also hand snap. Distance from the school gate to your class, that is a straight. And distance from the school gate to your class, straight. My experiment with mass. Here what? The measure in hand snap. Hand snap means that is a hand snaps. We are using the hand snap. That is hands we are using. That is a hand snap. And color has many box. Has you answer. So first one, length of your mathematic book. When you are measuring the length, that is a mathematic book in hand snap. So you are small, that is a 2, 1 and 2. So you have to color the 2. Study table. Your study table is a big and you are using the hand snap, that is a measurement, that is a 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 4 when you are measure that one, that is a hand snap is 4. So measure the cubite and color has many box has your answer. Okay, first desk. Cubite means what? So the hands, no, full hands you are using. This is a cubite, no. So like this you have to measure. First one is hand snap. Your mathematics book is hand snap you are using. So that is a 2 and the table is 4. The cubite is what they are telling. You have to measure the desk. So how many that is? That is a 3 is coming. So you have to color the 3. Teacher desk. Teacher desk is long, no? So how you are measuring? Measuring with what? That is a cubite. Like this you have to measure 1, 2, 3 like this. Then next one is measure the straight and color has many box has your answer. First one is length of the class. How you are using straight? Straight means what? This is. Okay, this is a straight. You are using the length of your classroom. That you are using. This is a measure of straight. Straight. How many? That is a classroom means that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much your legs? That one how much you have to color. School corridor. That is a so much is there. No, so that is a how to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is you have to write in your fair book. Mental mass. Here it is what? True or false. State whether true or false. First one, we can measure the length of book using straight. Straight means what? That is a hand legs. No, we can't use that one straight to measure the box, so it is a false. We can measure the length of a box using the straw of different size. Yes, we can use different size to use the straw. We can use no measuring the box as true. Then in ancient time, people used to measure the length using their body parts. Yes, body part they are using true. The snake is longer in a length while a lizard is shorter. So lizard is shorter. So it is a true. Measurement of weight. So here it is a measurement of weight, which is a weight that is a heavier. We are calling this is a heavier. Weight is a measure. How we are measuring the weight? Heavier, light, like this we have to measure. So weight means this is a weight is a measure how heavy an object is. So first one is what? Tick, right? The heavier animal. So here it is what? Monkey is here and elephant is there. Which one is heavier? Heavier means that is elephant is a heavier. The monkey is very light. The second one, take the lighter fruit. Which is a lighter? Lighter means not a heavy. This is a heavy. So apple is lighter. So take that one. Now people use weighing scale to measure weight. This is a weighing scale, and that is that. What is that? We are measuring this weight. This is how to work. This is how it was. So light side up. Light is coming up and heavy side is coming down. So both things are the same. That is a weight. See, both things are weight. So this is a same weight. So which is a upside? That is a heavy. That is upside. That is a light. Heavy means downside. That is a down is coming when we are weighing the scale. Then we are measuring the objects. When it is go up, that is a lighter. When it is come down, that is a heavier. So circle O. Circle O, that is a circle means circle, we have to circle heavy object and cross out. Cross, that is a light object. So tick right if both objects are the same weight. So if it is the same weight, we have to tick right. Let us see. See here, what is this one? Flowers are here and jug is there. So which is heavy? So which is heavy here? So here it is what? The flower. Flower is a light. Which is a light? They are told to cross. So lighter is a cross and heavier is a circle. Then here it is apple and book. They are same. Both are same. So you have to tick. That is a right sign. Now here it is what? Light. That is a light. That is a light and heavy. The rabbit is a light and monkey. The cats are heavy. Heavy means that is circle. Light means cross it. Now observe the weighing balance with same weight. So observing the weighing, it is the same weight. So here the weighing of both the object is the same. The both object is the same, but weight are that what? Equal. So we can say that, how we are saying, 6 oranges weigh as much as 2 books. So 6 oranges we are comparing to the 2 books, then that is equal. So 2 books are equal to the 6 oranges. Now complete the sentence. One has done for you. So jug is here and this is a cup. So one jug weighs as much as 2 mugs, or 2 mugs weigh as much as 1 jug. So 1 jug is equal to the 2 mugs. Then 2 mugs are equal to the 1 jug. Here it is a 1 cheese slice is there, and here it is a biscuit packet is there. Yes, no? So how much? That is a 1 cheese slice weighs as much as 1 biscuit packet. So 1 biscuit packet equal to the 1 cheese slice. Now here it is a 2 bottles are here, that is a juice, and here it is a cake is there. So 2 bottles equal to 1 cake. So 2 bottle weigh as much as 1 cake. Let us, we will move on my practice time 2. See here it is what? Tick heavy items. Here it is, you have to tick. See which is weighing machine, that is a weighing scale comes down, that is a heavier. So here it is a 2 chilies are here, and here it is so much chili. The weighing scale is come down here, so we have to tick this one. And mangoes are here, 2 mangoes upside and 4 mangoes downside. 4 mangoes come down means it is a heavy, so tick this one. And here is a object is here, that is a heavy, that is a which is come down, that is a this one, you have to write this one. So this is a heavy, this is a light. Now here it is a floors are here, floor, that is it is a little, then it is go up, and it is heavy, that is come down, so you have to tick this one. Here I remember. What we are remember? A bigger object will not always heavier. When you are seeing anything that is a bigger, but we have to measure when you are measuring if it is a heavier or it is a lighter. So we are not saying this is a heavier and this is a lighter. Object will not always heavier, not heavier. So example, see, balloon is seen big, but that is a lighter. The apple is seen small, that is a heavier. A balloon is a bigger than an apple, but when we are holding these two, what happened? So the apple is heavier than the balloon. Measurement of capacity. See, capacity. When we are measuring this one, so how the container, how much it is holding. When we are liquid anything, we are telling that is a capacity. So, measurement of capacity. Here it is a jug and here it is a glass. The capacity is a measure of how much a container can hold. Take a look at this water container. Water container taking, that is a liquid. So we are telling this one what a jug is a bigger. The jug is bigger than the glass. The jug is bigger. It can hold more water than the glass. See, the jug is holding water more than glass. More than what? Glass. Jug is holding more. So here it is what mother gave milk to Fabina. Mother, what she is doing? She is giving to Fabina and Azhar in different glass, not same glass. This is a Fabina's glass and it is a Azhar's glass. Guess who is the more? The container is this one. Yes, no? So, this is a filling mode. So, we are telling this one, this is a more capacity. So, those glass holds more milk. So, now find out which glass holds more milk. We can pour the milk into two identical containers. Same, that is the same container. This one and same size. So when we are pouring the milk, what happened? Fabina's is more and others is less. We can clearly see that. Fabina's glass has more milk. So, bigger container can hold more liquid. Bigger container can hold more liquid compared to the smaller. So, container that can hold less liquid. Here it is a circle, the one that has maximum capacity. See that one, which is a maximum capacity is holding the liquid. See, this is a glass. No, this is a bucket and this is a mug. So this one is holding. So you have to circle this one. Okay. This jug can hold 3 glasses of water. This is jug, the water contains, this is a liquid, the capacity we are using this one. This is a measurement of a capacity holding the liquid, the water, it is a fill up of 3 glasses. Then it is a filling the one jug. So what happened? This jug can hold 3 glasses of water. Then what happened? Circle the glasses required to fill the given jar. See what they are telling. One jug is filling 3 glasses. Another one jug is filling 3 glasses. So holding, that is another jug is holding 3 glasses. So you have to circle this one and one jug. This is one jug and this is second one and this is a third one. So I remember what? The amount of a liquid does not change. The amount of a liquid does not change when it is poured from one container to another. The amount of a liquid, it is not changing when you are pouring the water or a liquid to one container to another. Now, second one, B1, 2 jugs are there. 2 jugs means what? One jug is holding 3 glasses. That is a 3 glasses holding. The one jug can hold 3 glasses. This is one jug and another jug. One is remaining. My practice time. Circle the object having more capacity. Which is having more capacity? That one you have to circle. So, jug and bowl. Jug is more Mug and bucket, mug is holding more capacity, and glass and thermos is holding, that is a bottle, you are holding more capacity, and this is a water can, and this is a bowl, this is a holding more. So the capacity is a measure of to hold the container can hold, this is a more capacity, which is a more, that one you have to circle this one. I learnt. What you learnt here? Measurement. Length. Length means what? Hand snap, foot snap, keyword and pace or a straight. See, weight, how you are measuring? With the weighing scale, using the weighing scale. Capacity means that is a measuring what holds more. So, this is what measurement means, to know the exact size or amount of an object. Measurement. Length means how long or short an object is. Weight means how heavy an object is. Then capacity is how much a container can hold. Container can hold. My learning beyond. See, here it is what, this is a homework for you. Tell to your mama to what this one, activities like this. Do you know how tall you are? You know how tall you are? Then what you have to do? Take an object such as a straw, anything, straw, a stick, a ruler or a pencil. Ask your mama, parents to measure how tall you are. So mama, tell to your mama and measure like this, what you are using and how much you are tall. So I am about dash tall. 3 rulers or 7 pencils, that one you have to write down. This is the activities for you. The measurement of how tall or high someone is from head to bottom is known as height. Head to bottom, that is a height. Why do we think we use about while measuring? Discuss this one. You have to discuss when you are coming to school. We will tell this one. Okay. So this is activities. You have to do this one in your home. Evaluate. See, here it is a measure the length of given object. See, here it is a pen. Pen is there and they are using the clip. So this is equal to how many clips? So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 clips are equal to 1 pen. So about 7 clips. How you are measuring the pen? You are measuring, when you are measuring the pen, you are using this one clip. How much you are, this is the length? 7 clips. When you are joining the 7 clips, they are equal to the 1 pen. Now here is the fourth, and how much the clips are there using to equal that one fork? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 9 clips. So equal to 1 fork. This is a homework for you. Measure the following using your body part. This is activities in your home only. You have to write down the distance between your bed and your room's door is dash foot snap. You have to using the foot snaps and bedroom to door, and you have to tell the how many steps you walk. So that is using the foot snap. Your math book. How you are measuring? Hand snap. How long? You know already. That is a 2. So the distance between the door of your room and the main door of your house. Your room and main door. How many face? Face means what? Street. You are using the street. That is what this is. This is the street you are using, and you have to tell how much you done. Okay, that one you have to write down here. Your desk, school desk, that is a 3 cubit. That is a cubit means that is a hands you are using like this. This is a cubit. You are using this one, and you have to tell this one. Okay, how much you are, that is a your school desk means that is a 3. C1 write H or H for heavier. You have to write down H heavier and L for lighter. So here it is a what? Here it is a up side, this is a bread, and this is a light, and floor is what? Heavy. You have to write on H. Then this is a this is a rice and this is a chips. So rice is heavier and chips packet is the lighter. L you have to write on. D1, if a one person lift 10 mangoes, how many mangoes can a person lift? So one person lifting 10 mangoes and the two persons is lifting 10 into 2, that is a 20. Now F1, E1, if 6 glasses are required to fill 2 jugs, how many glasses are needed to fill one such mug? So what they are telling, 6 glasses filling what? 2 jugs. Then 1 jug means what? That is 1 jug means 3. That is a 3. Okay. So what they are telling? Yeah, they are telling this one 6 glasses filling 2 jugs. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Yes, no? So 1 jug means that is a 3 glasses. Now F1, which of the following is correct? Increasing the order of length of the pencil. So here it is a increasing. They are telling the increasing. This is a bigger and this is middle and this is a little bit. This is smaller and middle. So A, B, C. So increasing means what? Smaller to bigger. Increasing means what? Smaller to bigger. So B, first one B, second one C and A. B, C, A. Where is that one? B, C, A. This is a B, C, A. So you have to write on in your fair book also this one, all exercise. Okay, bye bye.